We'll guide you through how to type or write text in a circle in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in a Microsoft Word document. And so what you want to do is write and type text in a circle. This can be a cool effect to do because obviously it's quite uncommon. Usually in Word, you just write in a straight line, but this allows you to go and have it in a circle. So we're going to guide you through how you can do this and go and adjust it and get it looking how you want it to. So to go and get started, you want to come to the top of Word into the ribbon and the header and find Insert. Click there. Then you want to come over to the right and you want to go and find the option for Word Art and you want to go and click there. Then what you want to do is go and click on one of these looks you want. I'll just go for a simple black look in this example, but you could go and do something a bit more interesting, but we could do this blue one. In fact, why not? Now, what you want to do is go and type in what you want it to say. Now, what you want to do is you can go and make sure you still have it selected. And in shape format, you need to go and find the option for text effects in Word Art Styles. Now you want to go down and find the option for transform. And you want to come into follow path. And you can go and see these different options. So in this case, we want to go for the third option. That is the circle. So you can click on it. Now, as you can see, that isn't probably looking how you want it to. So what you can then do is you want to go and click and hold on the bottom point in the middle and click, hold and drag down. And then you want to go and click and hold on one of the side points and click, hold and drag like so. Keep dragging it. And as you can see, it's now getting more circular. We'll click and hold on the middle point at the bottom and we'll keep on doing it. And you can then use the corner points as well and just go and adjust that until you get it to how you want it to with the sizing and the gap, and that's it. And then of course you can go and center it like so, and you can go and continue making more adjustments, but you go and get the idea. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.